One last time. I'm Avery.
I'm Kai. And I'm Ariana.
And we are Sacred Vision Studio. Let's do that again. Today is May 10th, and this so far is what the mural looks like. This is the house. Got a little picket fence, some spray painted clouds. Yep, the bee box. Pathway. Yeah, there's the arch trellis. We got another tree, meadow, and a birdhouse. Alright, this is our beautiful mess of stuff. I don't even know where anything is anymore, at least since I last was here. This box is just epic. Don't mind me, I'm just filming. Okay, that was just added. You're gonna have to start carrying the phone around too, so then you can film me. Otherwise, it's just gonna be a bunch of footage of you two doing things and not me, just for info. If you want revenge. I am painting grass. It's very exciting stuff.
See, here you got some happy little bricks. A little happy fence.
Now you sound like Bob.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, I know that too.
Yeah. I was hoping all y'all would come.
Yeah.
Alright, today is day 23. I did this rabbit the other day. And I started a little bit of grass under the fox that Kai did the other day. And then here Kai started an owl. Yesterday I was working on the grass and getting the depth in the pathway correct. The hawk and the woodpecker, I also did those. And here's the millions and millions of flowers I've been doing for pretty much the past week or so. Today is day 25. Put in those crows the other day. And this house room. There's the hawk and the woodpecker. Miss Emily did these leaves in that upper tree part. There's the squirrel nest. Started working on the path here. There's the morning doves. Barred owl.
Okay, so I am adding detail to a what flower vine now?
Passion.
Okay, a passion fruit. Today is day 39. And this is what we have so far. Hello. So you painted a rabbit.
Rabbit there. New hummingbird.
Oh yeah, you did a new hummingbird, 2 hummingbirds.
Detail on flowers.
Yep, some new flowers.
Started here.
Some little bees.
Another squirrel.
Another squirrel.
Sunflowers.
Oh yeah, sunflowers. I don't know if I got these. These are like trumpet flowers. There's Kai doing deer highlights. Alright, I'm currently adding some shadow to the vines here. I think it's gonna. I think when this is done, this is gonna look really cool. Hopefully, it's gonna feel like the plants are popping out a bit more. Okay, so a storm blew through here. So everything's kind of a mess. Wait, what's that?
The umbrella is missing.
Oh yeah, there's an umbrella missing over there.
That could have flown away.
Oh yeah, it flew away probably. And yeah, it was very, very blustery, and our paper is gone now, which is fine because we're pretty much done. So I'm gonna rip this off now. There goes that. Okay. Oh. Yay. An actual window.
So we are pretty much done. We added a lot more detail than we planned.
Today is day 52. It is night. If you might not be able to tell on camera, but it is. I finished some ferns here. So they're looking pretty nice. They kind of make the tree feel a whole lot more complete now. Ari did some more flowers. She also did a daylily down here. A few more butterflies, and yeah. So this pretty much, in a way, is the last day, right?
Yeah,
I mean, for you, you're done. Okay, you're done. You're happy. I'm just gonna probably be doing a little bit more tomorrow, and then I'll be probably calling it quits. Probably. Today is day 53. We're pretty much done, at least mostly. I still have to do like 3 things or whatever, but otherwise we're pretty much done. So, Ari, we are going to go over your butterflies and flowers. Are you ready?
Yes. Here we have a monarch. Okay, that one here is the spice bush swallowtail. That is the common buckeye. That is the red-spotted purple.
The red-spotted purple?
Yeah, I'm not really sure why it's
But
called
it's blue.
that. I know why it's called that. We have another monarch here. And black swallowtail. There's a monarch way up there. I believe, yeah, because then you can see that's a tiger swallowtail, that little yellow one on the pipe. There's another little teeny tiny one near the monarch.
Yeah, a little microscopic one.
Another monarch here. Another monarch. Another monarch there. And then here's a southern dog face.
A southern dog face?
Yeah. 2 more monarchs. That one, I believe that was another red spotted purple, I think. Another red spotted purple down here. Tiger falls on the other side of this tree here.
Yeah.
Monarch there. Another southern dog face. See, this one has the Fiend Crescent tiger swallowtail. Another monarch. Another tiger swallowtail. And there, monarch. See, that is the Palamedes swallowtail. There's another Palamedes up there. And then, well, this is actually supposed to be a viceroy, so that's different than the monarch.
A real...
Viceroy.
A viceroy?
Yeah. This was the common white checkered skipper.
Looks a little bit more like a moth.
And that's a red admiral. Okay, and then this is a mourning cloak. Another southern dog face. Monarchs. Actually, there's quite a few monarchs. There was another Horace's dusky wing, that brown one there. Actually, I believe that was what this was too. And we got more monarchs. Right there. And there.
Yep.
And another monarch, and that was a Palamedes
Yeah.
swallowtail. That darker, the black one with the whiter.
The black one?
stripes,
Yeah.
that's a zebra swallowtail.
Okay, zebra.
Actually, I think we missed one that was over there. Tiger swallowtail is yellow. Another monarch. More southern dog face. There's one up on the tree near the owl there too.
What's that red one?
A little metal mark.
A metal mark?
Yeah. I've never actually seen one of those in,
Okay.
but I thought it was pretty, so. Yeah, so I
All right.
think that's everything.
Cool. Alright, let's now go back to the beginning and talk about the flowers. I do know that Victorious, one of the high school students, helped us with some of these flowers, I think, right?
Yeah.
The yellow ones down there.
Okay, so I'm just like painting flowers. We're gonna do like big ones, little ones, and then kind of repaint over them, and then add in color into the middle. Yeah.
And the daylilies had been started also by, that was Taylor who was helping us with
Taylor.
that, so she did a lot of the daylilies there. So I just finished those off. Let's see, and here we have like the blanket flowers.
Blanket flower?
Yeah. And then, well, a lot of the yellow flowers you see, they're either yellow coreopsis, or black-eyed Susans if they were bigger.
Okay.
Some, were made more to look more like the cornflowers too.
Yeah.
Since they were all yellow.
Yeah.
So. And here we've got some coneflowers. And then sunflowers up there. And over here, once again, kind of a mixture of what would have been the coreopsis, black-eyed Susan, coneflower, and then we had the purple, that would be the wild petunias, and then these orange ones is
Trumpet flowers?
Trumpet flowers, yeah. And here are some rain lilies. And these white ones here are wild asters. And then we see more coreopsis, black-eyed Susans. And then here did the Biden's alba. And I did these by the bee boxes because the bees really seem to like these. Well, and the butterflies. More cone flowers in different colors.
Yeah.
I did some milkweed. Let's see, and then we have the passion flowers. And then out here you can see more of the blanket flowers, coreopsis, petunia. This is the blazing star.
Blazing star.
This one has purple flowers on them. And then I've got some other blanket flowers in there too, those red and yellow ones. And this is a verbena.
Where?
A verbena, this
Okay.
purple one here. More blanket flowers, cone flowers there.
Yeah.
And stars.
All right.
And I think that was all the flower types I did. Yeah, I think so.
And then let's take a moment to appreciate all these specks.
Yeah.
All these little dots that you put pretty much all by yourself. You deserve a lot of credit for that. All right. So that's pretty much all your, you know.
Yeah, that concludes my tour.
Yeah. All right. So we're going to go through all your birds, animals, bugs. Was there anything else particularly? I guess that's it. Okay.
Got some dragonflies. There's another rabbit here. So this is a swallowtail kite.
Yep.
They migrate to Florida in these warmer months. And then we got some of the vultures up there.
I'm trying to get a good shot of that.
And there's a little ladybug here.
There's a little ladybug. We don't have to go through all your ladybugs as long as we see one.
And here we have the northern cardinal.
Okay.
It's the male and the female. That's the ruby-throated hummingbird.
Okay.
This is a juvenile.
Yeah.
We got two robins here.
Okay, let me just get a good shot of that. Alright, so that's the female robin with the nest. And then that is right here, the male robin. Alright.
Got some more hummingbirds.
Another hummingbird.
And this is the red-bellied woodpecker. The white-breasted nuthatch. And the barred owl.
Cool.
Barn swallow, mourning doves. The red fox. Deer, raccoon. More hummingbirds and blue jay. Great crested flycatcher. Some squirrels.
Some squirrels.
Two-eared woodpecker. Eastern bluebird. Red-shouldered hawk. Brown thrasher. American crow. Some more rabbits.
Yep, rabbits.
That's more hummingbirds.
More hummingbirds.
We have the mockingbird.
Yep, that was your first bird.
Yeah. There's one more rabbit over
And
there.
another rabbit down there.
And then I forgot to point out.
Ah, yes, there's a little mantis. He's hidden.
Honeybees.
Oh, and then there's the baby squirrels up in the nest. Oh yeah, there's the anoles. So there's the little lizards. Oh, and let's not forget about the frog. Yeah, there's your frog. So something that we haven't shown before is the original design of the mural itself, which was originally a sketch that all three of us did together. I turned it into a digital painting afterwards, which is what this is. And yeah, take a look at that. Wow. And there's so much more detail than what was in the original design. So many things, you know, are just more interesting looking. But yeah, it's amazing to see how much of a difference it's made.
Yeah. Okay. No, the artwork here is really an excellent representation of the flora and fauna that we have here in Wakulla County and in North Florida. It depicts the birds, the animals, the type of vegetation which are here, particularly the passion flower, and show the type of environment that we ideally can have and live with here and enjoy in this area.
Thank you.
Okay.
That
Yep.
is beautiful.
Okay. Well,